Good morning. Today's lesson is the second lesson of exercise 3A. This time we're going back to lesson one. There you'll find a video by Ms. Emrock. Basically, follow that video and a good time to maybe look at what she has presented and put that also in your summary book. For instance, I know that she shows you how you can check your own answers. And I'm sure if you can do that, I'll find some bonus marks for you in the test, should we have one. So don't forget, we are doing attendance lesson three, okay, of week three. You should already have a hard copy of the work document so you know which exercise question of 3A you're doing. And remember, you are doing lesson one. The reason why is because we have this video here. So follow the advice. And of course, the only thing is don't follow those questions. You are finishing off the exercise. Cheers.